Stop buying iPhone 17 Pro Max. Watch iPhone 18 Pro Max revolutionize mobile. Every category wins, unveiling the shocking truth. First, we discuss body. The iPhone 18 Pro Max, 8.75mm thick and 203G, has aluminum back and ceramic shield too, but IP68, 6 megapixels for 30 megapixels, and eSIM Max 2 active. Winner, iPhone 17 Pro Max, 10G lighter, practically the same phone. Ultra. Now we discuss processor. The iPhone 18 Pro Max's A20 Pro, 2nm processor versus iPhone 17's A19 Pro 3nm processor is a true upgrade with hexa-core performance. Apple conceals A20 Pro's core clocks. The 8-core GPU boost in iOS 27 wins for gaming. Now we discuss display. Both offer the Super Retina XDR OLED display with 260 ppi, 120 Hz and Dolby Vision. But the iPhone 18 Pro Max lacks nits and includes Ceramic Shield 2 and anti-reflective coating. The winner, similar display with distinct specs. Now you will compare camera. S26 Ultra excels in hardware with 200MP main, 50MP periscope, 48MP telephoto, 4x, 48MP ultra-wide and LiDAR scanner. Samsung claims 8K video and best face, while Galaxy A57 offers ProRes RAW and Samsung 2. Now you will compare front camera. Both phones have identical specifications, including 18MP ultra-wide, f1.9, 3D depth sensor, 4K 60fps video, ProRes RAW, Apple Log 2 and spatial audio. The front camera is a copied from iPhone 17 design. The result is a tie, no upgrade, no effort and nothing to compare. Now you will compare charging and battery. The iPhone 18 Pro Max's 5100 mAh battery is clean without confusion, with identical wired PD 3.2, 25W MagSafe QI2 wireless and 4.5W reverse wired charging on both models. Despite identical chargers, the iPhone 18 Pro Max maintains a consistently higher battery. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel.